Hey everyone, welcome to Westanime tutorials that we can learn more about the basics. We are going to learn the most basic but also the most important topic in math, addition. Addition is to combine two or more numbers. When we see this sign, which we call a plus sign, it tells us to add both numbers together. There are many ways to learn how to add. Let's look at the ones that are more common. We can use objects, making a number line, or we can use the making 10 strategy. To use drawing objects method, first we just draw the number of items. It could be squares, circles, lines, or dots. And we count them all together to get the sum. Let's look at the example. 4 plus 3. First, we draw 4 circles. Then on the other side, we draw 3 circles. When you count all of the circles, you should get 7. A number line is a line with numbers written underneath. From left to right, their numbers are getting bigger. To use the number line for adding, first we start with the first number. Then we hop the number of times forward to get your answer. Let's look at an example. 6 plus 4. First we start at 6. Then we hop forward to the right 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then the answer we should get is number 10. Now, drawing objects and using the number line works well if you're adding small numbers. You will get a lot of trouble if you have to draw a lot of objects or hop a lot of times when you add large numbers. Therefore, using the making 10 strategy, it is the better solution for you to remember how to add. Let's look at an example on how to use making numbers to help you add. 3 plus 5. If you have practiced your making numbers, 3 and 5 make 8. Let's look at this example. 7 plus 5. First of all, we have to make 7 into 10. Now 7 and 3 make 10. We take 3 out of the 5. 5 is made of 3 and 2. 7 and 3 make 10. 10 and 2, you will get 12. Let's look at another example. 6 plus 8. Now 6 and 4 make 10. We take 4 out of the 8. 4 and 4 make 8. 6 and 4 is 10. 10 and 4, you get 14. The making 10 strategy is very useful when you want to add numbers that are bigger than 10. For example, 12 plus 3. First we break 12 into 10 and 2. We take 2 and 3, you get 5. 10 and 5, you get 15. Let's go at the other example. 15 plus 6. We break 15 into 10 and 5, and we take 5 plus 6, you should get 11. 11 and 10, you get 21. Lastly, we look at 11 plus 12. 11 is break to 10 and 1. Well, 12, you can break into 10 and 2. 1 plus 2 is 3. 10 plus 10 is 20. Combine them together, you get 23. Now is the time to test yourself. See if you can complete this quiz in under 30 seconds. Ready? Go! Hey, thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to like, share our video and subscribe for more videos to come.